Deer. Deer are graceful, big animals that are found all over the world. They have antlers that grow and shed each year. Horse. Horses are majestic, graceful, and powerful animals. They come in many different sizes and colors. They are highly social animals and live in groups called herds. Moose. Moose are big animals, with males weighing up to 1,500 pounds. They are known for their large flat antlers. Their fur is usually brown or gray. Gazelle. Gazelles are small, slender antelopes that are known for their incredible speed and agility. Their body is light, fawn in color with white spots. Sheep. Sheep are domesticated ungulates with distinct white or black coats and curly horns. Also, they are known for their excellent memory. Donkey. Donkeys are small, hardy animals that are found all over the world. They are known for their stubbornness, braying calls and big ears. Bison. Bison are large, shaggy mammals that once roamed the American plains in vast herds. They are now considered an endangered species. Antelope. Antelopes are swift and agile animals that are known for their long, spiraled horns. They are found in many parts of Africa and Asia. Cow. Cows are domesticated ungulates animals. They are known for their black and white or brown and white spotted coats and their large, soulful eyes. Ram. Rams are male sheep. They are sturdy animals with thick curly wool coats in many colors. They live in herds and are known for their large curved horns. Pig. Pigs are social and intelligent animals. They are known for their pink or black skin, curly tails, and their strong sense of smell. Elephant. Elephants are some of the largest land animals in the world, with big ears and a long trunk that they use to grab food and water. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceroses are large, powerful animals with thick skin and a horn on their nose. They are found in Africa and Asia. Tapir. Tapirs are unusual-looking animals with a long snout, which they use to sniff out food. Tapirs are known for their gentle, shy nature. Giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world, with long necks that help them reach leaves high up in trees. They are known for their distinctive spotted coat.